Ever felt like your schedule is driving the car and you are tied to the back seat? Yes, that feeling of being draped from task to task and dragged to task, meeting to meeting, commitment to commitment. Well, it is not just overwhelming, but it's also that science says that when you go into a overload where your brain spends more time in recovering from commitments than actually completing them. Welcome to this day of 88 Days Mind Bloom Journey, a journey of clarity, calm, and consciously crafting the new you before you enter 2026. Today, we are talking about something we all silently suffer from inside calendar clutter. Yes, calendar clutter, your invisible energy thief. Research shows that this is a fascinating truth also. Your brain interprets an overloaded schedule as a lack of control. And the moment you lose the perception of control, your stress hormones spike, your focus dips, and your decision making collapses. It's like trying to read poetry while someone keeps flipping the pages. Every unfinished commitment that you say, I'll do it later. Every small meeting you allow to slip into your day acts like a mental pop-up window, draining your focus and diluting your sense of calm. And here's the truth that hits always the hardest. That is a cluttered calendar. A cluttered calendar creates a cluttered identity because your schedule is not just a list to twos. It's a mirror reflecting what to prioritize, what you tolerate, and what you unconsciously allow to colonize your mind. Today, I want you to silently reflect. Ask yourself honestly, am I truly choosing my day, or am I merely reacting to it? Yes, are you choosing your day or you are reacting to it? Most people are not overscheduled. They are overcommitted to do things that don't matter and undercommitted to the things that truly matters to them to transform them to the next level. Hereby, I want you to practice the calendar detox ritual today. Do this tonight just for 2 minutes. Circle your energy leaks, open your calendar, put a small exclamation that we say next that drains you, bores you, adds no value. Delete or delegate. Does this really need me? Or this clutter survives because we keep saying yes out of guilt. Protect one sacred block. Choose one 45 minutes block tomorrow for yourself and label it focus. And when you focus on one big thing, this becomes your anchor, your steering wheel, your return to control. This is how you reclaim your calendar and your confidence as well. With this, if this gives you a real insight and change your perception, I invite you to join my NLP Foundation program for more clarity, emotional engineering, habit design, and the psychology of high performers. As you join my NLP Foundation program, that's the first step of the ladder coming into the global world of NLP. Yes, I'll share the link of the community of the course in the description or caption wherever you are watching this video. And with this, simplify your schedule. Life will simplify your mind. Until tomorrow, stay intentional, stay anchored, and keep the curiosity alive. As I always say, learning is a collective journey, so share it with someone. You might be amazed to know once they give you a thumbs up that this was really shift they wanted in their life. And transformation is collective journey. And if you remember, I said you just give a question mark. Well, it was not a question mark. It was just to put a stop to it. So what are you going to stop that keeps you wondering where has me gone from it? So have the focus and do the declutter of that ritual also, which I suggested. It will not only spark your vision, it will give you enlightenment towards what really focus more, that what to-dos are telling you. With this, see you tomorrow.